It's a burning.
It just come off the strap again.
We in Kingston, lighting up another spot. Feeling good vibes, moon dancing after dark. She smell like heaven, but she got a little bite. Rasta man lost in the ocean tonight. Friends on the floor.
It still works, obviously, but yeah, it just got dumped in the dirt, right? Straight. Look, it damaged the corner now. It bounces pretty good, yeah, but how can this strap come off? Yeah, this is the third time this has happened to me, right? It's got a hook on it to stop it coming out of there. When you try and get it off, it's not easy to get off when you're trying to get it off, right? So I don't understand that it just somehow managed to slip off of there when you're not looking, you know, and throw it in the floor, right? 3 times this has happened. I've owned it about 3 months. This is not good. Poor design. How can they not? All I'm doing is walking with it, yeah? I was sitting on, I was riding my bike, it came off one time. I was just on the back of a motorbike, it came off as I got off the bike. And just walking down the road one time, it just came undone. What, mate? That's not good at all. But it does take a bounce, pretty good. Which, compared to the first XB40 I had, I dropped that a couple of times and it cracked the speaker mounts and it was making all kinds of farting noises and stuff. So there's obviously a design improvement on the XB43, and then obviously with this they've taken that into consideration. One of the problems with the XB43 is it didn't have a handle or strap or anything you could hold it by, and it was pretty heavy. So this solved that problem, which I was glad to see, but it keeps coming off the straps. Yeah, you got to hold it. And I'm holding it by the strap, by that. So if one comes undone, this one is definitely I'm still, you know. But you shouldn't have to do that. It shouldn't come undone. But what I'm going to have to do is hammer the straps closed. Because these are metal, these links. I'll hammer it closed and then it can't slip out. Or close the clearance at least, like to a slit, a tiny little slit. It's not much, the clearance on that thing anyway, but how it manages to come undone, I don't know. But that is really getting up my nose.